Hi, welcome to Festool TV, I'm Phil. When working with drywall material and two boards come together, or we apply any fixings into the material, it means that these are then filled. And of course, if somebody wants to make sure we have a good surface finish, this is then sanded back. So traditionally, you could use a pole sander. With a pole sander with the abrasive wrapped around the end, this can then be moved over to the surface and then the surface taken back to be flat. The big challenge with this though is that it creates a huge amount of dust, but it's also not the most efficient way to work. So we need to find a way of controlling the dust, but also to be a lot more efficient. And from Festool, we have the answer to this in the form of the Planex Easy. With the Planex Easy, it comes supplied in a carrying case, which means it's a very simple job to unzip, and then we can start to work. So with the Planex Easy, it forms part of the Festool system for working with this type of material. We can work with an auto-clean extractor, which means that every 10 seconds the filter is cleaned to make sure all of the dust is removed. But we can also work with the correct abrasive on the material as well. And so it means that working with this type of machine, we have a complete system to ensure excellent results each and every time. Of course, setting the machine up is a really simple process. We can work with the black hose. So working with the Planex Easy means we can work with this type of hose for the machine. And it means that we can push on the green button on the side. This can then come down and dust extraction can be attached onto the end. We can clip that back into position. And of course with Festool we can work with the plug-it lead system. So with the Planex Easy, if we start at this end, it means it's really simple to switch on. With the button depressed down and then comes forward, the head will start up. And with this machine, we use rotary action. And with this type of action on the head, it's perfect for removing a lot of material, so you can work really efficiently. But along the side of this head here, we also have the brush segment. And with the brush segment, in any surfaces which are bumpy, it means then that we can maintain the efficiency of the extraction by using this brush segment here. But it also helps the machine to glide over the surface as well. And of course, from Festool, it means we can work with long service life because we work with a brushless motor on the machine. And the big advantage also with this, it helps to keep the machine nice and light. But of course, while working with a machine like this, it needs to be easy to be moved over the surface, either on a wall or also on a ceiling as well. And with the head on here, it means we have this type of universal joint, so it's very, very flexible and can move exactly where you want the machine to be. But of course, it's not always on walls you're working, and also on ceilings. It means we need to get into the corner of a room as well. But with the Planex Easy, this is really simple to do, because on the front here, we can move this front segment, and now I can go between the wall and also the ceiling to gain access for sanding in that area. When it comes to material removal, you always need excellent control over the amount of material that's coming away. And with the Planex Easy, it means we can use variable speed to have complete control over what we're doing as well. So when using the Planex Easy, we need to use this in a sweeping motion across all of the surface, and then we can have an even cut rate over the material that we're working on. So working with the Planex Easy from Festool means you can work with drywall material or other types of surface coverings as well, in a clean, easy and efficient way. It means you can also work with excellent dust extraction, but with a machine which is simple and easy to set up. So I hope this helps your understanding of working with the Planex Easy, and I'll see you again next time.